How risky is investing in Bitcoin? Let's look at the ups and downs of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a currency that has been dubbed a market-disrupting liberator and denounced by many personal finance experts as a potentially hazardous invention. One thing is certain, Bitcoin is volatile. From December 2020, Bitcoin has gone through a series of significant ups and downs. The problem is that cryptocurrencies do not have any inherent value. It's all about trust. So if you're on the fence on whether to invest, one thing we can assure you is that it will not be smooth sailing. Is investing in Bitcoin risky? Cryptocurrency is a very hazardous investment. Unlike trading stocks in the stock market, Bitcoin's price is solely based on speculation. This is opposed to companies' equities, where the share price will vary depending on how well the firm is performing. A couple of points to note. Cryptocurrencies are currently unregulated by the UK financial watchdog. As with any investment, do your homework and don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Diversify your money. You can afford to lose only what you invest. Is crypto safe? The blockchain is the technology that powers Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. A blockchain is a system that uses cryptography to keep a record of transactions. The Bitcoin network has 10 to 20 times more computing power than Google's servers, making it one of the world's most secure networks. Hacking a blockchain is difficult, since you'd have to hack 51% of the miners on the network at once, making security breaches almost impossible. And yet, cryptocurrencies are still vulnerable to attack, and unless you store your assets in a hardware wallet, you aren't completely secure from scammers. Although blockchains are nearly unbreakable, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are still highly speculative investments. It's not unusual for Bitcoin to lose 80% to 90% of its value in a bear market. In 2015, it lost 84%, and in the 2018 bear market, it dropped 85%. Is crypto insured? Investing in crypto is not insured like other financial investments. There are insurance choices for certain crypto-related assets. CoinCover is one of the most well-known companies in this space. CoinCover provides insurance services to cryptocurrency wallets and exchanges, among other things. If an individual uses CoinCover, then their customers are insured against theft. If they've also lost their private keys, then they are still safe. You need your private key to access your crypto wallet, which is a digital account that holds your cryptocurrency. There are other decentralized insurance solutions that function on the blockchain as well. Investing in crypto. In the long run, many cryptocurrency investors regard it as a long-term investment. Some people state that they will never sell their cryptocurrency because they believe it will replace both gold and fiat currency in the future. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, have gone through multi-year corrections, resulting in the loss of hundreds of investors' 50% or more of their assets. Regardless, Bitcoin has repeatedly achieved new all-time highs. On the other side of the spectrum, some crypto investors regard cryptocurrencies as a short-term investment. Some buyers will spend money on cryptocurrency tokens that don't have any true worth because they believe the price will continue to rise regardless. Short-term investing in crypto. Traders who invest in cryptocurrencies for the short term are less concerned with the cryptocurrency's usefulness and more focused on its price history. For example, many short-term crypto investors invest in Dogecoin, which has no competitive edge over other large cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. These traders buy Dogecoin for its high volatility because they're seeking to make fast money. Short-term traders buy Bitcoin when prices are rising in the hopes of getting in early enough to ride out the excitement. This is a method by which some people can earn money, but the majority of individuals will be better off just buying and holding their cryptocurrency for the long term. Long-term investing in crypto. If you believe in blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies, investing in Bitcoin is a wonderful long-term investment. Bitcoin is viewed as a store of value, and some people believe it may replace gold in the future. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, has a lot of long-term investment potential as well. Bitcoin may be compared to the PC, which was to computing what the internet is to the web. Users may also use Ethereum to develop decentralized application, dApps, that can be utilized for more complicated financial transactions such as loans, insurance, and derivatives. Before putting money into a cryptocurrency for the long term, you should understand what you're investing in. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, be sure to check out our playlist below. And if you're keen on making money online, subscribe to our weekly videos. We can help you when it comes to sound financial guidance.